welcome back to my channel, guys. Again, today I have new topic for you. I'm out today with my friends, as always, my cameraman, and I'm in the one of the great our riverside part of the city. So today I'm gonna talking about the Northern and Rural Pilot Program, immigration pilot program, in order to immigrate in this city, Susan Marie. This is the city I'm gonna talk about. This is Susan Marie, and we have crossed the border, United States. And again, it's really good, really great to be here in the city. I will definitely miss this city after living here. So yeah, let's get it started. The first eligibility is like federal government's eligibility. That means from the federal government side. There are two parts. One is like Northern and Rural Immigration Program from the side of the federal government. You need to make sure that first the federal criteria are fulfilled, and then you can go ahead in the community. They have like different way of selecting people. So in federal requirement, there are some eligibility criteria. For example, they ask you for either 2 years of study or 2 years of study in this particular community. When it comes to Susan Marie, I'm talking about Susan Marie only. Either 2 years of study of here and or your 1 year of experience at least from anywhere from the world. Yeah, that would work for experience part. Or for language part, I guess like CLB 6 or 5 is the benchmark. You can go to the website and look for that. Yeah, there are some criteria from the federal side, so I'm not gonna focus a lot in that today. I'm gonna focus in community criteria today, how they select and how does it exactly work. After you eligible from that side, from federal requirements, then you need to move to the community side, and then you need to make some points in Susan Marie community. In order to be eligible for this, you need to have at least a valid permanent job in the field of. There are a list of knock jobs which are listed on the website. I can tell you some example of those kind of jobs, like mechanical laborers and assemblers and supervisors, healthcare workers, personal support workers. These kind of jobs are on that criteria. So if you find these jobs in this field, like it has to be permanent and full time. It part-time doesn't work, and contract jobs also doesn't work. So after getting your job, after you have your employment over here, then you can calculate the points on the basis of if you have come here before you immigrating here. If you come here to see your employer, or if you visited the city once at least, you might get some points. And if you already here, definitely that would be the point. And the if you have done some volunteer works in Susan Marie, this city, and these kind of things, you will get more points. And points are on the base of age and your language proficiency and job. I already told you. So this is how they usually calculate. I'm gonna make another video regarding the like detailed things, from the federal eligibility to the community criteria, and getting successfully immigrate to Susan Marie. So today I'm just giving you an overall idea how does it works exactly. So I hope you guys liked it, and yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, I'm sure I'm gonna make another video in detail of these. And subscribe my channel for this kind of information more, and thank you.